credit limit credit card, $80,000 credit limit credit card, $50,000 credit limit credit card, and $25,000 credit limit credit card. The sky's the limit. And I'm going to show you how to get approved for that, and also Navy Federal credit cards. All of that with bad credit. So hit the thumbs up, subscribe, share the video, hit the notifications, and I'll be right back with you in just a second. Don't go anywhere. Watch this video all the way to the end. I'm gonna drop some real diamonds here in this video, and this you don't want to miss. Well, tonight I'm going to talk about pretty much how to get approved for $100,000, $80,000, $50,000, $25,000 high credit limit credit card, and also a Navy Federal credit card with bad credit. That's our topic for today. I'll show you how to get high credit limit cards for people with bad credit, how to qualify for Navy Federal Credit Union credit card approvals. Also, going to discuss Penn Fed Credit Union and State Department Federal Credit Union strategies to get you there and rebuild your credit, how to rebuild your credit and structure your credit profile in a way to guarantee you $100,000 credit limit credit cards and all the way down to $25,000 credit cards. Also, I'm going to give you a unique secured credit card method and other effective tools to get you those high $100,000 credit limits, even if you have bad credit. Okay, so let's get started into it here real quick. So basically, Navy Federal Credit Union, they use a FICO 9 credit scoring model, which the benefit of that is it includes no medical collections. So if you have medical collections on your credit reports on, say, FICO 8 or any of the credit bureaus, this can be to your advantage because it'll give you a high FICO 9 credit score, because higher one, because it will not show. It will not show on when Navy Federal checks your FICO 9 credit score. Okay. But so the first thing you want to do is get a large line of credit before you apply. Now, I would recommend going to furniture stores and get a store credit line of credit. Okay. And you can, here's an example of a furniture store that I'm going to show you that is probably one of many options that you can use, right? And this particular store right here is called Rooms to Go. And you could contact their customer service and tell them you want to apply for a store line of credit. Okay. Now, when you do that, you want to make sure that this store line of credit it gonna report to the credit bureaus also. Okay. And you also want to wait until this line of credit reports, right? You want to make sure it reports to the credit bureaus, and you want to keep your utilization low on it. Treat it just like another credit card. If you want better tips on how to do that, just look at some of my other videos here on this channel. I have over 220 videos here on this channel about building credit and credit in general, how to get an 800 credit score, excellent credit score, et cetera, right? How to get approved for anything, any credit card, right? So you want to check out some other videos if you're not, adept at that technique of lowering your utilization, right? Another thing you can do is you can go ahead and get yourself pre-qualified for the Navy Federal credit cards. Okay, and that's one thing that you want to try to do is, as soon as you possibly can, right? Get pre-qualified for the Navy Federal credit cards, because that will give you an idea of how, of what you can qualify for, right? And if you qualify at all whatsoever. If you're having any difficulty with this, you can go ahead and call Navy Federal Credit Union customer service for that, right? But if you do decide to apply for any credit card on your own, just make sure to stay away from the higher tiered Navy Federal credit cards, like stay away from the flagship credit card, and just focus on the cash rewards or the platinum card from Navy Federal, right? And what you can do to make sure your approval is guaranteed, you want to apply the late night hack, which the late night hack is basically a strategy that you can use to get approved for a Navy Federal credit card, even with bad credit, as long as you apply after 11 p.m. Okay, and you're going to do that online, right? So that would increase your chances of approval, right? Now, the next thing you want to do is you want to work on getting your debt to income ratio lower or less than 28%, right? If you need more information about debt to income ratio, since I'm trying not to make this video too long and keep it as short as possible, check out some of my videos on this channel, and it will teach you how, where I teach you how to calculate your debt to income ratio and keep it in a low end. Okay. Another thing you want to do is you want to open up several accounts with Navy Federal Credit Union. Okay. Um, you want to open up some type of money market account, a checking account, a savings account. You want to take out a secured loan. You want to take out an investment account, right? You want to do any banking you can possibly do with Navy Federal Credit Union. You also want to put all your direct deposits from your job into that checking account with Navy Federal. Okay, you can work that out through your employer also as well. So when they see, you want to basically get every credit product possible, or financial product possible from Navy Federal Credit Union, and use it. Okay, so that way they can see you are a high value customer, right? And you're building a relationship with the credit union at the same time, right? Also, when you fill out the application for the credit card, you want to make sure that before you do that, that you include your spouse's income or your roommate's income. If you have a spouse or anyone living with you who has an income, make sure you include that. It'll be even better if they have a higher income than yourself, than you. Put that down on the application, and that will make your income appear to be higher than what yours individually really is, right? So another thing you want to do is you want to put all of your spend on one card, right? Everything you buy in the store, you want to put it all on one card, right? You can even max out the credit card, right? Um, During the month, right? The billing cycle, but make sure you pay it off in full, or make sure you pay it down to between 2% and 7% of the total credit limit. So, say if your credit limit is $100, you want to pay it off to between $2 and $7. A balance. That's the balance you want to be looking at, between 2% and 7%. You want to get a good mix of credit. Okay, so that means you want to have a secured loan, a personal loan, or a mortgage, different types, maybe two different types of loans, installment loans, and you want to have a revolving credit card. You want to have, like I said, the furniture store line of credit. You want to have, different types of. Also, a good idea was to get a high limit authorized user, and that would actually lower your utilization. It will not help you as far as passing through the underwriting when the underwriters look at your credit profile, but it will help you to lower your credit card utilization. And when you have a lower utilization, because the credit scoring FICO model accounts utilization is 30% of your credit score, it will make your credit score go up. Okay. Um, so now there's some credit cards that you can use for that, but let me show you actually where's a good place to go to get some high limit credit cards, because I know that's something you're probably going to be asking me down in the comments maybe later on. And you want to go to, I recommend this place here. It's called Trade Line Supply Company. Okay, where you can buy pretty much buy a high limit um, authorized user that has, you know, maybe it doesn't have a lot of age or credit history, but say it does have pretty good credit limit to it. So that would definitely help increase your credit score like tremendously. Okay. So you want to give them a call and see what they have to offer you in that department. Okay. The next thing you can do is make sure that you have no late payments and no negatives or derogatories on your credit report, because that would definitely put you out of the game quickly. You know, it could be game over, because late payments, they stay on your credit report for 7 years. Okay. Make sure you don't have bankruptcies, latenesses, collections, charge offs, any of those things there. Okay, but if you do have bad credit and you have some of those things, I'm going to show you how to still get approved for a high limit credit card, even in $100,000 credit card, even with bad credit. All right, so stay tuned. Make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. Give this video a thumbs up, a like, subscribe, share the video, hit the bell notifications so you won't miss any videos that I make them, and you won't miss this important information that I'm going to share with you too also as well. So a good thing for you to do, right, is Navy Federal, right? So if you're going through Navy Federal and you can qualify for membership, you want to look at some of their okay, you want to look at some of their credit cards. But I'm gonna, and basically you don't want to start with the high tier. If you're starting with bad credit, also you can start with a secured credit card. Okay, that's a good thing to start with through Navy Federal. Another thing you can do is develop a relationship with other credit unions, and one credit union in particular that I would recommend if you have bad credit, that you start with this credit union here. It's called State Department Federal Credit Union. Okay. And you want to go for their Savings Secured Platinum Rewards credit card. Why you want to start with that is because it's a secured credit card and is made for people with bad credit or new to credit or people with no credit at all. And it can graduate to a platinum rewards credit card, and we can look up that platinum rewards credit card real quick so we can show you what you're looking to get after it graduates. You can get a credit card that can go up to $100,000 in a credit limit. Okay. So basically, the way this savings secured credit card here, the way it works is that it's going to pretty much graduate, right? Uh, After a certain period of time, if you use the card, keep your utilization low, but use it as much as you can. It can graduate to that card. Okay. So that's another tool or strategy that you can use there, and that will get you to a $100,000 credit limit credit card. Also, as long as you do everything properly, manage your credit responsibly. Another thing that you can do is you can go to this credit union that I'm about to show you here and become a member, which is real easy to do. You don't have to have any military. affiliation or anything like that to qualify for membership. And you don't even need a spouse or anything that's affiliated with membership with military. It's real easy to join. You want to go to Penn Fed Credit Union. Now, Penn Fed Credit Union, they're known to approve people with even bankruptcies on their credit report. So you can go here and check it out and apply for one of these credit cards. They have some really good cash back or rewards credit cards too. There's a lot of bonuses, sign-on bonuses, and everything that you may need to help you out in your on your journey to looking to get that $100,000 credit card. So basically, I don't want to make this video too much longer, but I will tell you that it is possible to get a credit card with a very high credit limit, $100,000, even with bad credit. And if you have any questions about what I went over here in this video, definitely leave me a comment down below. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the video, share the video, hit the bell notification so you won't make you won't miss any videos as I make them here on the channel. So with that, I'm out.